Welcome to my channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, you'll be learning how to create a stylish green leaf name design using AI, as you can see on your screen right now. So, without wasting much of your time, let's begin. Now you go to your Google Chrome, you type in Bing Image Creator as you can see on your screen, then you click on the first option, bing.com. Now you're in the Bing environment. If this is your first time, you have to register with your email. So let us paste the prompt. As you can see, I've pasted this prompt already. Now click on create. Wow, now we have 4 different images with the name gold. Let me see the first one. Wow, love this. It's lovely. Look at the G, look at the letters, the smoke, very good, lovely. So let me see the other one. Oh, let me check the other one. Wow, look at this, the angle, very nice. Sometimes the spellings are not correct. So let me check another one. Before I continue, so if you want to download the image, for example, let me check this one. So for example, I like this. So this is the arrow to download. You click this icon. Let me show you this one, as you can see. So you click on it to download. As you can see, it's downloading. You see if I downloaded already. So if you want to download any image you like, you can click on that to download your image. So let me change it. Let me change this gold. Let me change it. I'm using angel. So create. As you can see right now, we have 13 coin. So anytime you click on create, Bing Image Creator deducts 1 coin from your coin. So you have 15 coins. So anytime you use it, you have 1 coin deducted. So let's continue. Wow, this is good. We have 4 different images. Let us check it one by one. Let me check it. This is going. Wow, lovely. Look at the wings, colorful wings, white and purple, or pink rather, but the name is not correct. Well, anyways, I downloaded this. Wow, this is good, lovely too. The spellings, wow, love this. Look at the spellings correct. Look at the wings at the top. Wow, look at everything, so lovely. Let me check. I downloaded this as well. So let me check this one. Wow, lovely. The name is correct. The wings too as well, lovely. So let me check other ones I did already. Let me scroll to show you the other ones I've done. It's loading. Wow, so I did for Sultan too as well. Sultan. So let me check this one. Sultan. This is for Sultan. Wow, lovely. Look at this spellings, everything is correct, accurate, as smoke, everything is good. So let me check another one too as well. Let me check this as well. Wow, lovely. Look at the angle, look at the background, is nice. So let me show another one I've done too. Let me see. I did for Rose too as well. So let me check the first one for Rose. Nice. Look at the name Rose. Even the rose at the top itself, the name at the bottom too as well. Lovely. RSC, this is not correct. RCE, this is also not correct. But lovely anyway. But at least you have one that's correct. So now let me show you another one. This particular one is very good. I love this. This is the last one I did. Very nice. Lovely. Angel, the other one I did. Look at this. Wow, so majestic. Look at the leaves, look at the wings, lovely. So another one I did, let me show you this one too. Wow, I love this, is the best I love in all the name. Angel, so lovely. So that's how I created that using AI. I've downloaded this already. So if you want the prompts, in case you want to use yours too as well, this is the prompt. So if you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get updates like this, and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. Do well to give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button on your screen right now. Don't also forget to drop your comments concerning this video in the comment section below, and also do well to share this video across your socials to your friends, to your relatives, and to your family. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.